the 2019 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power seat, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, blind spot sensor, and seat memory. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.